All right, so if you are headed out, I mean, obviously you would suggest those very same things. Keep cool, wear that light clothing.
Yes, for sure. And really not just this weekend, but next week as well, as our temperatures crank up even more. This is what it looks like outside. It looks like we're looking at a mix of sunshine and cloud cover, and this is what we'll notice all day. At times we'll see more clouds, at times we'll see more blue sky, but it's going to be warm to hot all weekend. It is July in Texas. This is quite normal. 84 degrees at Fair Park right now. The heat index is closer to about 88, and we are expecting that temperature to still climb to about 96 today. 97 on Saturday, 95 on Sunday. Notice our rain coverage. It's very low today at about a 10%, 20% Saturday, 30% on Sunday. I'm going to take you through our forecast here in terms of rain. Today, we are looking at a cluster of storms in Oklahoma. A few of those could clip our northern counties, but really coverage is going to be low. Tomorrow, a front starts to approach, and this is what kind of amplifies our rain coverage just a tiny bit, about 20%, mainly for areas along the Red River. The threat for severe weather is highest north, and I'll show you that here in just a few moments. But look at the cloud cover. This is what's going to keep us below that 100-degree mark. We could see some passing showers closer to the I-20 corridor. This will be closer to 3, 4 in the afternoon, and then we're looking at clearing for Saturday evening. On Sunday, coverage will be highest northeast of the Metroplex. This is around 7 in the morning. And basically anywhere north of Interstate 20, do expect to see at least some storms nearby. So if you have any outdoor plans, make sure to have that WFAA app. You can pull up radar. Don't completely cancel plans, but just keep in mind that we do have that storm potential over the weekend. This is Sunday as we approach midday. Right now, we're looking at some cloud cover, more dense across our northern counties. That is moving in, all thanks to a cluster of storms, like I mentioned, that's in Oklahoma. These storms tend to originate closer towards the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle before moving to the southeast. And this is why we have that area of high pressure, and that high pressure is not going to strengthen until middle of next week. And until that happens, we're going to continue to see this cluster of storms kind of get pushed by that jet stream into areas close to North Texas. Right now, it looks like it'll hover closer to the Red River. And because of where that high pressure is situated, the threat for severe weather stays north of us. Today, it's highest for the panhandle into Oklahoma at a level 3 out of 5. Tomorrow, it's highest along areas in Oklahoma into Arkansas at a level 2. Some of our outskirts here closer to the Red River could see some strong storms with gusty winds as the main concern. And then on Sunday, again, that area of high pressure keeps these storms kind of really centered over Oklahoma, Arkansas, and then eventually into the southeast on Sunday. So that area of high pressure, it's going to strengthen, but it's going to hold off for a few more days. This will limit our rain chances, and it's going to increase our temperatures into the triple digits middle part of next week. The heat dome, it's building, but again, it's going to hold off. Until that happens, we're going to keep rain chances in. It's not high coverage. Everyone experiences the heat, but only some will experience the storms, and the threat for severe weather is very low here locally, higher to the north because of that area of high pressure and where it's steering those storms. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s through the weekend and into early next week, hundreds middle of next week. We'll be back.